Subscribe to my YouTube channel Deepti Ghai Sharma and hit the bell icon to watch my latest videos first. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this makeup look which I was wearing on my second last video, and I asked you guys whether you guys want to see a tutorial on this look, and some of you guys said yes. So I have recreated this look for you guys, and this makeup look is perfect for Valentine's Day. I've used a pink and purple and whole look came out really good, and I really hope you guys like it too. And also this video is a collaboration video with two of my YouTube friends. One is Bhavya from Glosh and second one is Shikha from Shikha Sagar. Both the girls are amazing and very talented, so do check their videos and do subscribe to their channel as well. I'm going to mention both their channel links in the description box. So if you're interested how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So first I'm going to apply an eyeshadow primer all over my eyes. If you want, you can use concealer as well. And then to set the eyeshadow primer, I'm going to apply a light color eyeshadow. If you want, you can use a pressed powder as well. And for my eye makeup, I'm using Morphe's 35C palette, and I'm going to take this pink eyeshadow from the palette and I'm going to apply this all over my crease, and this is going to be my transition color. And I'm using tapered blending brush from Sigma. It's E40 brush, and this brush is so amazing for blending. You don't have to work a lot with your eyeshadows. It makes blending so much easier. And as I always say, with dramatic looks, you have to keep on blending your eyeshadows really well. Next, I'm going to take this dark pink eyeshadow from the palette. It's more like purple magenta kind of a color. And I'm going to apply this on top of the pink eyeshadow which I've applied earlier. And I'm using the same blending brush. And I'm going to blend both the shades really well. Now from BH Cosmetics foiled eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take this silver eyeshadow. And I'm going to apply this underneath my brows to highlight my brow bone, and I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush. Next, from the Morphe palette, I'm going to take this purple eyeshadow, and with a small tapered brush, I'm going to apply this color into my crease to darken up my crease. And I'm actually giving it a more like a gradient effect, darker in the crease, and it's actually fading into a light pink eyeshadow. That's why I've used pink color as my transition. And then again with the same blending brush, I'm going to blend all the shades really well. Now taking this black eyeshadow from the palette, and I'm going to apply this color just on the outer corners of my eyes, just to give my eyes a little dramatic effect. Now with the help of a concealer and a small detailing brush, I'm going to clean my eyelids and also going to give it a cut crease kind of a look. If you want, you can skip this step. You can just straight away apply the eyeshadow on your eyelids. And then I'm going to set the concealer with the light eyeshadow again. Now I'm using the E30 pencil brush, and I'm going to take the same purple eyeshadow which I've applied into my crease. And I'm going to apply this color just in between my crease to clean that concealer. Then from the BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to take this light pink eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply this color just on the inner corners of my eyes. And then taking this pink color which is slightly darker than that light pink eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply this just on the center of my eyelids, again giving it a gradient effect. And then taking this dark purple eyeshadow, I'm going to very lightly apply this color on the outer corners of my eyes. And I'm just keeping this color on my eyelids. I'm not dragging this color above the eyelids because you don't apply shimmer eyeshadows on your crease, so be very careful. Now I'm going to apply a very thick wing liner, and I'm using a liquid eyeliner. If you want, you can use gel liner as well. I'm also going to apply glitters as well, and again applying silver glitters on the inner corners of my eyes, and pink color glitters just on the center of my eyelids, and purple glitters just on the outer corners. Now moving on to my face, first I'm going to prime my face, and I'm using RIMMEL primer, and I'm going to apply this all over my face. And then for the foundation, I'm using Rimmel's Fresher Skin Foundation. And with the damp sponge, I'm going to blend the foundation all over my face. Now using Maybelline's concealer, I'm going to conceal and highlight my under eyes. Also going to highlight the bridge of my nose, chin, my forehead as well. And then again with the damp sponge, I'm going to blend in the concealer. Now to set my under eyes, I'm using a NYX Cosmetics contour palette, and first I'm going to take this banana powder and I'm going to set my under eyes. And to set rest of my face, I'm using NYX Cosmetics pressed powder. Now I'm taking this contour color from the palette and I'm going to contour my cheekbones, and I'm using Amazing W7 brush. I really love using this brush for contour my cheekbones. And I'm also going to contour my nose with the same brush. And then I'm going to use an angular brush to blend in the contour, as well as I'm going to bronze up my face and forehead as well. Now for the blush, I'm using e.l.f. Cosmetics blush. It's a beautiful peach blush, and I'm going to apply this with a Real Techniques blush brush. And then I'm going to apply loose powder just underneath my contour to clean it. Now to highlight my face, I'm going to take the CARLI BYBEL palette, and I'm taking this beautiful highlighter, and I'm going to apply this on the highest points of my cheeks, on my nose, and also going to use the same highlighter to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm taking this silver glitter palette, and I'm going to apply silver glitters on the inner corners of my eyes on top of the highlighter. And these are the glitters which I've applied on my eyelids as well. Next, I'm going to apply a lot of mascara on top and bottom lashes. Now with Sigma pencil brush, I'm taking the same purple eyeshadow from Morphe palette, and I'm going to apply this color all over my lower lash line. Now for my lipstick, I'm using this beautiful lip color from Penelope Cosmetics called Penny, and it's going perfect with my eye makeup. So this is the final look, you guys, and I really hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and do share my videos as well. And don't forget to check Bhavya's and Shikha's channel as well. As I said, I'm going to mention everything in the description box along with the product details. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye guys, see you next time. Take care.